morning to everyone. Today we're gonna explain about the Busan Port, like Korea International Commercial Port. Myself, Majid, and my teammate Barry. But first of all, I just go to review of the midterm, and we study in the midterm like our report. So a quick review for the audience. So the first one is the current status of Korea International Commercial Port and the container terminal infrastructure development. The second one, analysis of the causes of container port congestion problem faced by Busan International Commercial Port. And the third one is review of Busan International Port current smart port policies, implementation and effectiveness analysis in responding to port congestion issue. So the first one, where I just want to do the infrastructure development. So the construction plan is, the first one is objective and background and project description. The point is what they want to do, like, the first one is the main development initiative are as follows. Like the first one is digitalization of information on port facilities. Why is important? Because for the analysis of big data, we can see here, and the serve as a foundation for developing smart port. The second one is smart port IoT integration and policy operation. Is it important for what purpose? The purpose is
too far.
No, this one. The purpose of this point is like to enhance overall port management efficiency. And then the smart automated logistic system within the port area. So it's have like developed automated logistic system, what they need to reduce manpower, lower operation costs, and enhance port safety. The third one is Busan Port Digital Twin Platform. What is twin platform? Is a utilize AI technology to monitor, analyze, simulate, protect, and control port infrastructure. So this also work for the port operational efficiency. They want to enhance the port operational efficiency. And then the next one is automated cargo storage system. So automatic cargo storage system is like automated guide vehicles, AGV, cargo sensor, and human psychological signal detection device. They want to like adopt it, and the process they need to be quick. Then we have like remote control bridge crane. So is the technology used like mobile edge computing, 5G, and they have also solution and benefits. And the next one is Busan Port becomes South Korea 5G smart port test bed. Okay, so then we have a rail traffic condition for port access. So they also want to collaborate with the US later manufacturer January system to collect and analyze the traffic data using their LDAR technology. Then we have RFID application. So with the purpose of this application, so it's already in the the agency container terminal Busan Port was constructed in 2010. Why? It's because allowing the crane to be ready before the truck arrived and enabling coordinated loading and unloading operational with the container truck. We can see here. They also adopted in 2010. Then we have the key drivers and trend of port congestion in 2025, and the Busan Port congestion and operational bottleneck is a very important issue. Like our previous team also explained this. So what is the key driver and trend of port congestion in 2025? The first one is to increase in average waiting time. This is the big issue that almost around the world the port are facing. So is have need to measure port around the world issue, like with delay in some key hubs exceeding normal level by as much as 300%. Then the labor disruption, like they have a strike, labor shortage, some say will impact on the port operational also. Then we have infrastructure challenges, increase in shipping demand, which we also know that nowadays also the shipping means have really advanced and they want to trade more. But in the near future, we can be ship our goods or everything like on the shipping. So its demand will be increased more and more. The next one is weather disruption. So the weather disruption like extreme weather events is also operational disruption like flooding, strong wind, and also the typhoon. And surge in regional trade. Surge in regional trade means that increase in the transmit shipment volumes, like increase in the trade. So they are also the problem. Okay, so as we mentioned before, this one incident in 2022 with the Busan port experienced severe congestion because of the severe weather. So this incident occurred already. Then we have an infrastructure constraint, like we have the growing volume of, like we have seen here, the growing volume of container traffic, and also the limitations such insufficient berth space. This is also the problem the port usually have faced. Then we have a review, the Busan International Commercial Port current and smart policies implementation. So Busan have already 10 terminals, which have already this terminal 7 already automated, first fully automated container terminal. Because of this, they increase their productivity 20%, reduce safety risk. Also, the current smart policies implementation, like they have also implemented some of the policies by which they have improved their efficiency. The first one is EIR, like electronic equipment interchange receipt. By this way, they have like eliminate the paper documentation. Also, they have initiated his lead to significant cost saving, like the paper cost saving. And also, they have USD 3.5 million annually in fuel costs they are saving. Then we have the like Busan had the blockchain-based smart logistics system. Why? Because Busan Port Authority has developed a blockchain-based logistic platform because of the container tracking, waiting time. So because of this blockchain smart logistics system, they have saved like 2-3 hours. They reduce the timing from 2-3 hours to 30 minutes. Also, they have smart maintenance system, and also they have like aligned the South Korean digital New Deal initiatives. And then they have the base port logistic metaverse framework like PLMF. What they are doing has been introduced to enhance decision making in port logistics. Is very important for the decision making, this AI based logistic. It includes module for like predicting ship arrival time, dynamic operational planning, and monitoring the environment impact. So the framework has shown is 79% improvement in ship punctuality, and it also have generated like 7.3 million in additional annual revenue. Then they have effectiveness in responding to port congestion issues. So as we're talking about again and again about the conjunction is a problem with the port have faced nowadays. The implementation of these smart port policies has significantly elevated conjunction in Busan Port. How? It's like reduced truck waiting time, improve operational efficiency, and proactive infrastructure maintenance. What like enable early detection of potential issues, preventing disruption that could lead to conjunction, and enhance predictive capabilities like the PLMF AI module allow for the accurate prediction of ship arrival and optimizing scheduling, further reducing bottlenecks. So now my teammate will just start the new part and explain further.
Thank you. So I will introduce these final 2 questions. Okay, so the first one is analysis of advantage and disadvantage of present smart port strategies for Busan International Commercial Port. And the 5th one is improvement measures position on smart port strategy for Busan International Commercial Port in response to the port congestions. So I separated it to the three parts, and the first part is the current smart port strategies at Busan International Commercial Port, and the second and the third is the advantage and disadvantage. Okay, so let's talk about the current smart port strategy. So Busan International Commercial Port is actively implementing multiple smart port strategies. The main strategy and specific case studies are as follows. And the first one is automation and digital infrastructure, and the port automation and digitalization. The Ministry of Ocean and Fishery of South Korea is promoting the 2030 port policy and implementation strategy aiming to establish a smart maritime logistic infrastructure to enhance port operational efficiency and global competitiveness. And smart maintenance system, and Busan Port Authority in collaboration with multiple institutions has established a smart maintenance system that utilizes data analysis to predict maintenance needs of both facilities, thereby improving the efficiency and accuracy of facility management. And the green energy sustainable development. So it's a electric energy system. Busan Port has implemented a electric energy system that converts pressure generated by truck traffic into electricity with an estimated annual output of approximately 2,115 megawatt-hour of power, reducing carbon dioxide emission by about 936.5 tons. And the renewable energy target. So wait a minute. Busan Port aims to source 25% of its energy from renewable source by 2032 and achieve 100% by 2050, advancing the course transition to zero carbon emission. And artificial intelligence and metaverse application is like Maji say, PLMF. And this Busan Port has development an AI-driven logistic metaverse platform consisting of 11 models designed for predicting ship arrival times, dynamic port operation planning, monitoring ship fuel consumption, and tracking port equipment emissions. So it's an empirical study show that the platform can increase vessel punctuality by 79% and generate approximately 7.3 million in direct annual revenue. And let's talk about the advantage of current strategy. So the first one is enhance operational efficiency. So the implementation of automation of AI technology has significantly improved productivity. For instance, the introduction of fully automated container terminal in April 2024 is expected to increase yard productivity by up to 20%. And the second one is the environmental sustainability. So initiative focusing on reducing pollutants emission have lead to a 45% decrease in ultrafine dust level at the port compared to the last 9 years. And next one is economy, resilience. The adoption of AI-based systems such as the smart port logistic metaverse has potential to generate additional direct revenue of approximately 7.3 million annually. And the last one is safety and risk management. And this shows the disadvantage. So the first one is high initial investment cost. And next one is over prevalence on technology. And the next one is integration challenges. And before this talent training and maintenance issue. And the last one is cybersecurity and firing risk. Okay, so next question is improvement measures. Proposition on smart port strategy for Busan International Commercial Port in response to the port congestion. And the first one is current port congestion situation and the improvement measure for smart port strategy. So let's talk about current patterns in Busan port situation. And the average vessel waiting time has reached to 1 to 1.5 days. And container yard has nearly full capacity. According to the Busan New Port authorities, the container yard utilization rate at each terminal is currently approaching 100%. And the port throughput has reached a record high. In March, the port handled over, this is the 2023 data. The port handled over 2 million 20 foot equivalent unit tubes, setting a new record. Since opening of new Busan port in 2006, delays are widespread across major transshipment ports in Asia. Major Asia ports, including Busan, Shanghai, Ningbo, and Singapore, are experiencing average vessel delay of 10 to 14 days. In addition, recent report indicate that Busan remain moderately congested. So it's a measures. And the first one is dynamic SAOT slot allocation system. Automatically optimize allocation based on vessel arrival time, ship type and size, operational requirements, cargo volume, and the current yard condition in order to improve berth utilization and container handling efficiency. And regional collaboration and multiple coordination. Extend a shared digital platform to other Korean ports, for example, the dedicated shipping schedule and container vessel to Guangyang and Yi-Chih to reduce congestion pressure at Busan port. And advanced predictive analytics for traffic and cargo flow. Utilize data analysis to accurately predict traffic dynamic and cargo flow trend within and around to the port, with end of optimizing scheduling and alleviating congestion. And next one is smart integrated logistics mobile platform. Launch the LLCONE mobile application to provide driver with real-time information on gas access, loading, unloading, and appointment schedule. After implementation, gate creep size has significantly decreased, reducing idle time and pollution. So this is to magic. Thank you.
Okay, the last one is conclusion and suggestions. So the first one is smart port strategies has laid a solid foundation. How? Like Busan Port has made significant progress in adopting automation, artificial intelligence, and sustainable technologies. which has improved operational efficiency and environment performance and operational safety. The second one is congestion issue presents, like he also here. This one is also better explained how is the issue. So this was the problem here too. And the third one, the application of digital technologies in predictive congestion management remain insufficient. Like what is the I think here the disadvantage. This part is related to this one, like the application of digital technologies in predictive congestion management remain insufficient. So here, some of the technologies we explain is why, because some of them is really expensive and some of them maybe according to the situation they are not working, so that's why it's like really difficult to adopt some of these. And the last one is intermodal integration remain a critical bottleneck. It's mean that collaboration or co-work with some of the companies together is a bottleneck for them to cooperate with each other. So to make intermodal integration remains is also a critical. So maybe in the future, some of the shipping companies have, maybe currently they have, but most of them they need to like collaborate with each other. So I think it will be more efficient for them to smoothly carry the trade with the other companies. And the suggestion I can hear. Sorry. Yes, this one. I can suggest this one, like we need to dynamic slot allocation system, regional collaboration and multiple port coordination, and advanced predict analytic for traffic and cargo flow, and smart integrated logistic mobile platform. These all are like we say is our suggestion for the Busan port they need to implement and carry their efficiency or enhance their port operational smoothly and efficiently. So this is our presentation.